up, y'all? It's your boy Fuji. Today I will be traveling to Las Vegas with a couple of my friends, and I wanted to vlog this moment, or the moments I'm going to be having. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Alright, my friend and I, we just arrived to Las Vegas, and now we're gonna go explore and meet up with two more friends and explore the night and so on. You excited, bro?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Let's fucking go. That concludes my trip to Vegas. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Currently I'm at the airport at 3:39 a.m. in the morning. So I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna be probably passed out, but if you guys liked it, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment on the video where I should go next. So peace out.